This is Lucha Libre Mechanic Productions, and right now I'm going to show you how to save thousands of dollars over the lifespan of your vehicle with this AMSOIL Silicone Spray. But first, make sure you like and subscribe and share this with a buddy. Help them save some money too. Here's the deal. Axle boots and rack and pinion boots and tie rod boots, they cost a lot of money to replace, anywhere from $300 to $1,500. But now, I'm about to save you some cash. Let's go. This right here is your CV axle boots, and you have rack and pinion boots, and over here is your tie rod boot. All you do is shake this bad boy up and then just start spraying it. And this right here is going to help lubricate this and help repel any debris and prevent cracking from over drying due to heat, due to engine temperature heat, and also atmospheric heat, and as well as any salt that you get from environments where there's a lot of snow. And here's the deal. If these boots are not protected, they're going to wear a lot faster. And eventually they would tear and rip, and all the grease that's contained inside of them will begin to fling everywhere. And once that happens, you're going to have metal on metal contact because all of the metal components inside will no longer have grease to protect them, and it's going to lead to a costly repair job. So be sweet, be kind to them boots. That's it. Do both sides. You can use this stuff on your UTVs, your ATVs, your cars, your trucks. It's going to save you thousands. Tell a friend. Boom, we're done.